Hey guys, today we are going to make some chana chili. So let's go. To make chana chili, take some Kabuli chana in a bowl and in the cooker add about 2 to 3 pinch of salt. Keep the gas on high flame. Keep the cooker on it for 1 whistle in high flame and 5 minutes in low flame. Until the chana cooks, let's cut some veggies. I have 1 small onion, finely chopped, and 1 small capsicum, again finely chopped. And 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped. And 2 green chilies which are slit from inside and finely chopped. If you notice, everything is finely chopped as it brings more flavors to the dish. Now the chana is cooked, so let's strain it out. Please don't throw away this water, it is very nutritious. You can also use it in the gravy. Now it is time to give the chana its crispy texture. Add about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Toss the chana. Don't use any utensils here as the chana is very soft, it can mash. Now we are giving it a second coat. Sprinkle some water. You can use the strained water earlier, and please use another bowl over here or else it would stick to the bottom of the bowl, and repeat all the steps done earlier. Keep the gas on high flame. In the hot oil, add our chana. Please don't stir it for the first 30 seconds as it can break. After 30 seconds, you can stir it. Just listen to the chana now, how crispy it sounds, how lovely it sounds. Now it is time to make the gravy. In a frying pan, take about 2 tablespoons of oil and all the veggies we cut earlier. Stir it well for about 10 to 20 seconds or more. Salt as per taste. Black pepper powder about 1/4 tablespoon and a little bit of sugar to balance out the flavors. Add in soy sauce, red chili sauce and tomato sauce or ketchup, and stir it well until it reduces. Like this. add in corn flour and water slurry. Take about 1 tablespoon of corn flour in a bowl and a little bit of water in it, and add that in the gravy. Stir it well. If you want, you can add some water if it seems more thick to you. And after that, add your prepared chana. Give it a stir. You can also add more red chili sauce now. It would enhance the color. And now look at it, how beautiful it looks. Do the plating and enjoy your dish. Have a great day ahead.